Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your character's health on the My Talking Tom Friends game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the My Talking Tom Friends game on your device. And once you enter the main game mode, you will see your various characters that you have unlocked. You can cycle through these characters from the bottom right section. And when you see the plus icon on top of your character, then you will need to visit the medical room. Just tap on this plus icon and then tap on the medical cabinet, and now you can use the health objects in order to regain the health of your character. Search for other characters that may be low on health and tap on the plus icon above their head once again. You can repeat this process and recover the health of your characters. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to restore your character's health on the My Talking Tom Friends game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.